Okay, you want to mount your camera on the tripod as you use portrait mode. After that, record an empty background for a few seconds. Then after that, you move into the scene. Look at what I am going to do now. Then when you move into the scene, you make a stand for some few seconds or minutes, depending on how long you want your video to stay. Okay, then after making this stand now, then you can now shake your body. Okay, then you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace. Import your video to workspace. At this point, click on the video, go and locate volume. Click on volume, reduce it to 0. Then at this point, you mark on that good and go back. Come front. Click on this video here. Click on it. Then you make a split. Okay, then you adjust the video. Look at this place now where you make a stand. Click on the video again, make a split, delete the center part, we don't need it again. Go to the ending part of the video. Look at this place where you're about going out. Click on the video and make a split, delete the last part, we don't need it again. Then you come now, click on the video, go and look for overlay. Click on overlay, click on it and take it to the beginning of the video. So at this point, make sure you adjust it, make sure it gets to the end. After that, come back, click on the face layer, the empty background, click on it, go and look for freeze. Okay, look for freeze, locate free, click on freeze, click on it and drag it, click on it and drag it. Okay, at this point you can leave it now. Come to this middle part, look at this place where there is split. Still click on the second layer and split the video. Yes, after splitting it now, come and click on the second layer, click on this one, look for remove BG, click on remove BG, auto remover, allow it to remove completely. Okay, allow it to remove completely. Exercise patient, allow it. Now it has removed completely. Mark on that good and go back. So at this point, you click on the video, click on it, click on it now. Use your hand to drag this character down, drag that character down. After dragging it down now, click on keyframe, go and click on keyframe, click on keyframe guys. As you click on keyframe now, you adjust the video, then you start pulling out the character again, gradually. Now you are adjusting the video, you are pulling the character out. As you are adjusting the video and pulling the character out, the key will be adding automatically. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Okay, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, you are welcome to the tutorial. So you are pulling the character out as you are adjusting the video while the key is adding automatically. That is how you will keep doing it until you get to the end of the video. Look at what I am doing, follow the same process, continue to pull it out. Okay, at this end, as you have finished it up now, then you go to the other layer, go to the second layer because you made a split. At this other layer now, shift the video, move a bit, then you come and click on keyframe again. Click on that keyframe again. As you click on keyframe now, you come and click on splice. Click on splice guys. Then you start adjusting the video now. As you are adjusting the video, you are reducing the texture. You want to make yourself disappear, so you are adjusting the video, you are reducing it, you are adjusting the video, you are reducing it. Now reduce it, finish, reduce it, finish. Mark on that good and go back. Let us play the video and see the end result. Let's see what we have got. Come down and play the video Let's see what we have got. So you are playing and watching it. If there are adjustments to make, you make your necessary adjustments. Look at what we have got, guys. Look at what we have got. Yes, this is good, but the video is not over yet. So you come back, mark anywhere now, click on add overlay. Click on add overlay, import that video again, bring it to the workspace again. Import it. As you import it now, click on it and go and look for volume. Okay, but before then, make it fit the screen. Then you click on it, look for volume, reduce it to 0. At this point, you mark on the good and go back. Then you come to this place, click on it and make a split. Click on the video now, the last layer, make a split, delete the last part, we don't need it again. Then you come back. Now you want to design the ground that you are going to be coming out from. So as you click the video, you can look for mask. Look for mask, guys. Click on mask now. Click on rectangle, okay? Then you use your hand to adjust it. Then you bring it down. Bring it down. You are designing the ground you are going to come out from. Mark on that good and go back. After aligning it, after making it good, you mark on that good and go back. Okay, take time. Then after you have done it now, let's play the video and see the end result. Let's see how it look now. Guys, calm down. As you can see now, look at it now. It's now better than the first time. You are now coming out from the ground. Okay, look at it now. Perfect. This video is very good now. At this point, this video is ready. The next thing we shall be doing now is to mark on that very place, cut off the unwanted part. Okay, as you mark on it, cut it and delete it. This video is ready. So at this point, what will be remaining now in this video is to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be. Then after that, you export your video. But you are saying, I don't know how to do it. I want you to pull me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. My number is at the description of this video. Go there and DM me so that I'll put you through on how to add your light and your sound effects. And after that now, the next thing you want to understand in this video now is, if you try to export this video now, you cannot be able to export it. The reason being that you use Auto Remove BG, which is a pro features. But don't worry, we have got you covered in that as well. We have recorded a video on how to use CapCut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video, then you come back and now know how you can export this video. Okay, then after that, you can export your video with ease. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do so. And locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, thank you. Stay safe.